Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Happy Friday to you, and thank you for tuning in to another free tutorial Friday. Before summer ends, I wanted to do some butterfly stamping, so I'm using the butterfly Gala. I don't think that I have ever done a video with this. I am not sure, but we're going to do it now, so let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, we're going to be using the butterfly Gala stamp set along with the coordinating punch. And what do we have? We're going to use some tuxedo black. I've got some coastal cabana here. I've got just a scratch piece of whisper white. I've got some coastal cabana cardstock. I also have the stitched circle and then the scalloped circle as well. And so the scallop is just going to be placed later. This guy, we're going to go ahead and take our bone folder, burnish that down as always. Normally after I do the base, I just set it off to the side, but we are actually going to stamp on our base today. And this will be stamped after I get started here. I'm going to go ahead and take my scrap whisper white and my little butterflies. This one kind of looks like a monarch butterfly. We're going to get him all inked up in our Memento Black. As always, if you are wanting a written tutorial, you can find it on my blog, or if you are a newsletter subscriber, it is sent to you in a newsletter. All right, so they come together, okay? They come together, so when they come together like that, they are going to match up perfectly. There we go. And they're both going to stamp out at the same time. So now I have that extra little butterfly, and then I've got this one here, and I am going to get all of the different blues. I've got some pool party, some pretty peacock, some balmy blue. Let's see, what's this one? Coastal cabana, all the different colors. And I also, if you want, you can color with that. You can also color with the Stampin' Write markers, whatever you have. But we're going to go ahead and just kind of color in little spots here and there. And I'm going to match all of them up. Okay, so I've already done that to save time. And look at how pretty it came out. Is that super pretty? Look at that. Ah, I love it. All right, so I also don't want to just have a plain background. I want to have some butterflies in the background. But I don't want them to be just one right on top of the other, one right on top of the other. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it. And don't worry, because they are photopolymer, I could always put it back, take this one, and put it exactly back, and it's going to match up. So, wanted to give you that little tip there, but I don't need this guy right now. So I'm going to place this just right here, get it out of the way. I do want to get my card and give it a nice pretty background, but I don't want the other side. That's why I put it in half first. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to take the same exact color and we're going to go ahead and put this little butterfly all over. So see how I'm only getting the one butterfly instead of having to put that little one. And we're just putting them facing every which way. give us a cute background. There we go. We'll have one facing this way as well. I will fill up the middle, even though we're gonna, let me see, yeah, there we go. Even though we are going to put another piece over it, I still want that middle to be filled up. And then any little corners, you can put a little wing coming in here and there. So so cute. And it's kind of like just making your own bit of, ooh, designer series paper. So I'm going to put some little wings coming out here. Right. And one more here, and probably just one little one coming in like that. So look at how pretty that is. Didn't that come out super nice? I'm going to put one little guy right here. There we go. And now we have a great little background there. I always try and do my really simple stamping on these tutorials for the beginners. Now I can set this off to the side. We're going to get our memento back out, and we are going to get the Hello Beautiful from the same set. And I'm going to put this down toward the bottom here. Look at that. So pretty. Guess what? We're almost done. So we've got that there. We have this one here. And I'm going to take my Stamp and Seal. This one actually happens to be the Stamp and Seal Plus, which we definitely don't need, but I have it out, so it doesn't need to be so strong. But we're just gonna center that up. Look at that. Then I'm going to take my Stampin' Dimensionals, which I carry mine in this little wood box, wood stamp set box, and I'm going to put enough of these on here. There we go. I'm going to grab that Take Your Pick tool. I love that you guys have left comments that, one, you're either a Paper Pumpkin subscriber and have received one of these from me, or two, you've purchased one and you love it. So I love to hear that you love it. It is my most favorite tool, not only for stamping, but it seems like I always use it with everything. So I'm going to put this kind of down in this lower corner. I could put it there, I guess. No, I think I want it. Well, I do. I'm going to put it in this lower corner. There we go. So there's that part. Now I'm going to take this little guy here, and I am going to use that bone folder. I'm going to kind of give him a little crease there, and we're just going to give him a little bit of wings in motion. We're going to give him some motion there, and then I'm going to go back to my, well, not back, I'm going to go to my glue dots. I was going to go back to my dimensionals, but you will want to use probably glue dots on this, and I say that because you'll probably want to use two, one toward the bottom and one toward the top. Oh, and the reason I say that is because you don't want to have so much. I'm just going to put this off like this. Isn't that pretty? You don't want to have so much, because if you're going to send it through the mail, they'll charge you more just for one little extra dimensional on there. Now, typically this has a nice like stem, I guess, where his body would be. But I'm going to go and I'm going to grab my holiday rhinestones, because we're sticking with the blue, and there's this beautiful clear blue on here. And so I'm going to grab this tool. I'm going to pick one of those up, put one right in the middle there, and then we're going to go, actually I just think I'm going to go with 3 of the larger. Just like that. Oh my goodness, is that beautiful? So pretty. Now, if you'd like to give a little body on the rest of them, there is a little body there. There's also some little antennas. So whatever you would like, do it how you would. But this is my card. It's super simple, super easy, yet very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you'd like to purchase any of the items I have here, I'll put it in the description below. It's also going to be, again, on my newsletter, on my blog, which is beautyinthestamper.com, or you can go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!